How to write cold emails with AI in Instantly.ai. Writing cold emails with AI in Instantly is quick and efficient. Just log into your Instantly account and go to the AI Writer tool. Enter key details like your target audience, product, or service, and a desired tone. The AI will then generate personalized subject lines and email copy designed to grab attention. You can edit or refine the message to match your brand voice, then save it into a sequence. Finally, launch your campaign directly inside Instantly to send at scale. This way, you get high quality, conversion focused cold emails in minutes without starting from the scratch. So that's it.